Going through a divorce can be very difficult. It can be very emotionally taxing. It's probably the most difficult time in your life. It can be devastating to you. It can be devastating to your spouse. It can be devastating to your children. But divorce does not have to be ugly. It does not have to be contentious. It does not have to be expensive, and it does not have to take forever to get done. That's why divorce mediation is a great way to resolve your case amicably without spending a lot of money and without having to go through months, sometimes years, of divorce contentious litigation. I'm Gerald Maggio, California divorce attorney, California divorce mediator, and founder of California Divorce Mediators. We offer an amicable, lower cost way to resolve your case out of court to save you time, save you money, and save you a lot of stress. Unfortunately, over 40% of marriages in the United States end in divorce, and that process of divorce can be very difficult, can be long, can be expensive. In a traditional divorce case, each party generally retains their own legal counsel, spends a substantial amount of money to pay retainer fees for those attorneys, and they spend a lot of time and a lot of money to litigate their cases, sometimes going to court numerous times, and oftentimes making it a very stressful, very difficult situation for everyone involved. However, mediation involves an alternative and better option to resolve a case out of court for a fraction of the cost of a traditional divorce case. Saves you a lot of money, saves you a lot of time. The biggest thing though, it will save you the stress involved with a divorce case that takes months to get done, sometimes years, will leave you stressed out, and will leave you in a situation where you potentially are going to hate the other spouse, who you still have to co-parent your child or children with, and leaves you with debt, credit card debt, and so on, involved with having to pay the attorney that you had retained and spent a lot of money on. That's why the bottom line is over 80% of mediated divorce cases tend to end in settlement. It's a great option. So what is divorce mediation? Well, divorce mediation is a process by which the parties work with a neutral mediator regarding the issues in their case to try to work out resolutions of each issue in the case. That can include child custody, child support, spousal support, division of property, you name it. The mediator facilitates communications between the parties and attempts to reach understanding between the parties regarding the issues of their case, and really tries to get to the underlying reasons why the parties have the positions that they may have in their case, and tries to come up with solutions that work with the parties with that in mind. It's a much more flexible, open-ended way to resolve cases more creatively that really takes the needs of the parties into account. It's important to understand that in a divorce mediation, the mediator is not the judge. He or she is not making the decision for you. That's between the two of you and your spouse. Divorce is expensive and difficult enough as it is. You can resolve your case out of court through divorce mediation. You can resolve it at a fraction of the cost of a traditional divorce case and get it resolved much sooner. That allows you to move on, allows your spouse to move on, allows your kids to move on and survive the emotional trauma of a traditional divorce case. If you and your spouse are looking for an amicable, out-of-court way to resolve your divorce case, please contact us at California Divorce Mediators, and we can discuss the next steps, how the process works, and tell you how we can help you. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel at the end of this video for more helpful information about divorce and divorce mediation. See you next time.